Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to play videos, YouTube videos on your stock Android infotainment system. Okay, so let's first you have to install this app called AAAD. Okay, AAAD app. I will provide download link in description. Please download from that link. Okay, after install you just have to open that app, then connect your phone to the Android Auto. Okay, let me connect. Hold on. Okay, after connect your Android Auto, just open it. Okay, then you have to click car stream app. Okay, just make sure it's a free app, so they provide only one download in 1 month, so don't install any other apps, just install car stream app. Okay, after install car stream app, there will be a icon like car stream. We just have to open it once. Okay, after open, just here you have to press menu button, then there is a icon called car stream. Okay, just open it, scroll. Okay, for example I'm playing this video. Okay, just okay, you can play anything, just press back button from here. You can play anything from YouTube.
I don't like that part. Hear it.
Okay, I'm just muting the audio for copyright strike. Okay, thank you. If anyone have any face problem, then please let me know. I will try to help him.